We are in the car wash, guys. We're going in there. Car washing. So guys, we're going inside of the car wash. This is car wash. I'm here. I'm inside. Look at that. So now we are washing. Oh, have you seen it? So we make it full program, guys. Full program of washing car. We are inside. There's my boss. Look at that. Have you seen it? We are inside in the car. We get washing. Yes. Oh, it's heavy typhoon inside. Hello, everybody. I'm inside in the car, guys. I get wash. You seen it? I get wash. I get car wash. I'm inside. Inside. I get washing. Look at that. I'm inside. It's very wonderful feelings. Look like there is typhoon inside. This is how I feel inside in the car. Look at that. Now the next program is coming. Wow. Have you got this experience? Inside in the car, get washed. Our car is get washed. Yeah. Look at that. Automatic. Look at that, guys. Full program inside in the car. Washing. It's washing. Now we get dry. Funny, na? It's very funny. So, we start to going out from the car wash. Slowly. Slowly we're getting finished.
Ups. Scheiße.
Oops. We are out, guys. Out of car wash. It's funny, no? It's very funny. So it's car washing today, guys. Car washing. There we had been car wash. So and then we start there, come out here, and then we are here now. We are making stopsoga vacuum. So this is now very clean, very nice. I love it. I love to ride. So it's clean, guys. This is our inside of the car. So this is how it looks like now.